Most people don't fail because they're weak. They fail because they rely on willpower. Willpower is emotional. Emotions are unstable, and unstable systems collapse under pressure. If success required motivation, the world would be full of winners. But it isn't. Because the people who win don't rely on how they feel. They rely on systems. Let's say what nobody wants to say. If your productivity changes based on your mood, you are not disciplined, you are gambling. You wake up feeling good, you work. You wake up feeling off, you delay. That's not freedom, that's chaos. In business, chaos is expensive. In finance, chaos is fatal. Successful people don't ask, "Do I feel like it today?" They ask, "What does the system demand?" And then they execute without debate. Look at your life honestly. Your income is a system result. Your habits are a system result. Your stress level is a system result. You don't overspend because you lack discipline. You overspend because your money has no rules. You don't procrastinate because you're lazy. You procrastinate because your time is unmanaged. Freedom without structure always becomes self-destruction. The solution isn't trying harder, it's building smarter. Here's the shift that changes everything. When you build systems, you stop negotiating with yourself. Negotiation creates hesitation. Hesitation kills execution. A system removes choice, and choice is the enemy of consistency. The wealthy are not more motivated, they are more structured. They automate discipline so it runs even when they don't feel like showing up. Let's make this actionable. For your finances, set up automatic savings transfers before you can spend the money. Create separate accounts for needs, growth, and risk. Decide your spending limits once a month, not every day. Your money should move without emotion. For your time, have a fixed wake-up time and non-negotiable work blocks. Have a daily shutdown ritual to close the day. If your day starts randomly, your life will end randomly. Boring systems create extraordinary results. You don't rise to your goals, you fall to your systems. When motivation disappears, your system still runs. That's power. That's control. Businesses don't scale because founders work harder. They scale because systems replace effort. The same is true for your life. You are either building systems or rebuilding from mistakes. Legacy is not created by intensity. It is created by repeatability. What you repeat becomes who you are. If your success depends on willpower, you will lose when life applies pressure. Systems don't care how you feel. Systems don't negotiate. Systems don't make excuses. And that's why they work. This channel is not motivation. It's conditioning. If this challenged you, share it. If this woke you up, subscribe. Because willpower fades. Systems endure. Build systems or stay trapped in emotion.